Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Virgin Media Hub 4. First, let's unbox everything. You'll find the Hub 4 itself, a power cable, a white coaxial cable, and an Ethernet cable. Take a moment to identify each component. Choosing the right spot is crucial for excellent Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home, so pick a central location, ideally elevated, and away from other electronics. Now, let's connect the cables. Take the white coaxial cable and screw it firmly into the wall socket, then into the back of your Hub 4. Make sure it's finger tight for a secure connection. Next, plug the power adapter into the Hub 4 and then into a wall outlet. If you prefer a wired connection for a device like a computer, use the yellow Ethernet cable provided. With the cables connected, it's time to power on your Hub 4. Press the power button on the back. You'll see some lights flash, and then you'll want to wait for the white light on the front to become solid. This indicates it's ready. Now, connect your devices using the Wi-Fi name and password found on the sticker on the bottom or back of the hub. Follow any on-screen prompts for activation. To get the best performance from your Hub 4, ensure it's placed upright and free from obstructions. Keep it away from other electronic devices, like cordless phones or microwaves, as these can cause interference. For even better Wi-Fi, consider using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to find the least congested channel. Finally, regularly check for and install any firmware updates to keep your hub running optimally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.